review a lot of RC cars before. This one's different. This is the new Conqueror 4-wheel drive climbing car. So this is 1/14 scale, so it's pretty big and heavy. Okay, so I got the truck in the box and I got the motion control. So we already turned it, put in the batteries and everything, so it's ready to roll. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it up. So on the bottom, over here, there'll be the switch. You just turn it on, and then there. So then on the controller, there will be this black button. Just go like that. So now it's ready to go to the park. So let's take it to the park and I'll show you what I think.
A few moments later.
You have seen me do it over there in the parking lot, but now I'm gonna do it in the grass, and over there's some gravel, so we're gonna do that too. So let's go. Whoa! Now I'm gonna try it on the gravel. So, bring it here. Okay, here's some gravel. Whoa! Okay, since it's a four-wheeler, I'm gonna try to see if it can go up there, go down, and go over there. So ready? Whoa! Yay! Got it up! Woo! Oh my dad! Like, yes. Okay, let's see if we can drive in the tennis court. So let's go. grass. So if it's going on grass, it can still go through.